Assalamu alaikum everyone. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali. Greetings to everybody. Today I would like to discuss about why Ahmed Rashid is protected. Specifically, Ahmed Rashid is protected by Ogaden politicians like MP YUSUF Hassan, Ogaden wealthy businessmen who own businesses in Eastleigh for financial gains reason. And they protect Ahmed Rashid because they come from the same clan, Ogaden tribe. Ahmed Rashid is an Ogaden, and for that reason, he is protected because of the heritage and bloodline. Ahmed Rashid is known to collect extortions from Somalis who are not Ogaden and protects Ogaden wealthy businessmen because of business related and illegal smuggling of goods that are transported from Kismayo, Somalia to Eastleigh, Kenya. For that reason, Ahmed Rashid has a financial interest and money for the purpose of collecting extortions, whereby he collects about 1 million Kenyan shilling per week, and that money he shared it with higher authorities. And for this reason, Ahmed Rashid is still working and remaining in Eastleigh and Pangani because of all this money coming in. And Ahmed Rashid has his own group of organized individuals. These youth are from Ogaden clans that are responsible for different activities in Eastleigh, collecting extortions from different businesses. They are also responsible for spying for him. These individuals are also involved in other illegal activities like drug dealings and smuggling. Ahmed Rashid has been involved in so many illegal activities and protecting Somali cartels, drug dealers and smugglers. I am a victim of Ahmed Rashid. He extorted and blackmailed me Kenyan shilling 1.8 million. Because I am not an Ogaden, and because I'm not related to Ahmed Rashid, he threatened my life with pistol on my head and panga, trying to saying that he is going to cut my body into pieces. He threatened me with a long panga and placed it on my neck because I filed so many complaints against Ahmed Rashid to IPOA, Inspector General of Police. I filed a complaint with human rights organizations, and Ahmed Rashid operates with impunities and only decides to harm any businessmen who are not Ogaden. He tries to harm any Somalis who are very, very successfully. He's very, very jealous, very hateful, very bitter, very immoral, and very disgusting. Is disgusting. This guy was very, very jealous of my success. I own businesses. I own transportation company. He extorted me Kenyan shilling 1.8 million. Him and Abdul Karim Masood, in the pretext of selling me a business by using Abdul Karim's wife, whereby the money was transferred from my bank account to the bank account of the proxy lady that was used. And Ahmed Rashid wants to kill me for no other reasons. It's because of my success and money. He tried to pressure me from stopping me making further complaints against him. Ahmed Rashid is a murderer, extortionist, tribalistic. Is very, very tribalistic Ogaden man. He has murdered over 100 individuals already. Why do you think Ahmed Rashid has killed a very, very innocent soul? The Isaac boy, Liban Boxer. Why did he kill Liban Boxer? Liban Boxer did not commit any crime. He was killed because of his tribe, because he was not an Ogaden. How many individuals that are doing some criminal activities who are Ogadens and being protected? Individual like FARHAAN Bareejo. I don't know what his name is. FARHAAN Bareejo is an Ogaden man who has committed several criminal activities like robberies and still being protected by Ahmed Rashid. You guys know who is FARHAAN Bareejo in Eastleigh. FARHAAN Bareejo has been protected by Ahmed Rashid because of so many reasons. They are coming from the same tribe, and FARHAAN Bareejo is being used by Ahmed Rashid for purpose of collecting extortions, and FARHAAN Bareejo is being used to kill anybody, any Somalis who reports or file a complaint against Ahmed Rashid. That's why some of these youth who are being protected by Ahmed Rashid because of protections and other specific things that they are being used for. Thank you.